This video shows how to replace the toner cartridge on HP LaserJet printers. When the printer control panel or the printer software prompts the following messages, the toner cartridge level is very low. When print quality is no longer acceptable, consider installing a replacement cartridge by following these steps. Lift the scanner assembly and then lift the top cover until it is firmly in place. Hold the handles on both sides of the toner cartridge and rotate the toner cartridge towards you to unlock it. Hold the middle handle of the toner cartridge and pull it along the tracks to remove it. Remove the new toner cartridge from the protective bag. The used toner cartridge should be properly disposed of for recycling. Hold the middle handle of the toner cartridge, align the arrow on it with the arrow on the imaging drum, and push down the toner cartridge until it clicks into place. Hold the handles on both sides of the toner cartridge and rotate it forward to the lock position. Close the top cover and then lower the scanner assembly. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support/videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Printer Support.